Hey, Danny Metters here, still at InfoComm 2026 at the Rockware booth. One of the last products we're going to show today is our dual camera video bar. What's awesome about this is one, it has a panoramic camera and then also a 12x optical zoom PTZ camera. So what this is best for is a medium and large rooms, because the big thing that we run into and problems in those types of rooms is the further away that you get, that your image quality goes down. So you want to be able to have something that can track you, especially if Mr. or Mrs. Bigwig is at the back of the room. You want to be able to have presenter tracking just like we have on our bigger 941. So as the same thing on our 941 camera, this also will do gesture control. So I can easily turn it on by doing the OK symbol. It's going to automatically see that I'm the presenter. And then no matter wherever I walk around, it's going to follow me. So if I was going to come over here and I was going to present and talk about our RB10 bar or do anything like that, anything I wanted to do walking around the room, it's going to follow me. And just as easy as it started, I hold up my hand a couple seconds and then it's going to see and instantly stop. So this provides that gap filler in those type of rooms. The microphones that are on here are good for 20 feet. You can also add in additional microphones on Cat 5, Cat 6. They cascade, you can add up to 3. So it's PoE powered from the bar. And then also part of our bar is that we also have it set up with BYOD. So it's Cat 5, Cat 6. You can run out up to 100 meters out to our hub. It plugs in and then it does USB-C into your laptop. So it allows you to instantly take control of the bar, share your screen and content instantly that way. What's really cool about it too is there's also USB in the bar. So if someone wanted to have a designated PC in the room and have, say, a native Teams room, Zoom room, they can have all that set up, but then still have our BYOD come out. They can walk in, instantly plug on their laptop and take over the meeting. So if you want to learn more about this product or other amazing BYOD products, please visit us at rockware.com.